Hey guys, welcome back to new episodes. So happy that you're here. And I read you guys' comments and I see that my audio setup is not on point. I know this, I'm working on it. In the winter, I'm gonna do the full maintenance of the hull and the keel, and there is where I'm gonna upgrade my gear, and that's the moment to have better editing skills and better audio. So for this summer I will still be doing it my way with my Samsung S21, 22. So that being said, today is gonna be a nice day. It's gonna be windy, it's gonna be rainy maybe, and you're gonna meet Israel. Israel is a good friend of mine who is just starting sailing as well. He had 3 lessons in a small laser boat and he wanted to go with a big boat. Well, I think this is a big boat. For some people this is a small boat. Well, let's start into this movie and enjoy. And we're off. Hey. Amazing, right? Guys, and then it started to rain. Israel! Israel's taking control. So it's hissing of rain at the moment, and we saw the amazing dark clouds when we came here. And the dark clouds are behind us and above us. So with a little bit of patience, we will have nice weather again. So the wind is very low, guys. It's raining super harsh and are fine. Woohoo! Welcome to Pampus Island, a small island near Amsterdam, and it's actually on the list of Unesco World Heritage. It's 400 years old and it's amazing. It's amazing to sail around Pampus because the depth is about 3 meters in total. So you have 1 meter 30 under the keel in my case. You can dock here in the small marina, you can have a toasty, a beer, a lunch, whatever you want. And you go back sailing. Alright guys, we're still sailing straight into Amsterdam, and behind the electrical thing is a big lock. We will manage to go into the city today.
Pull yourself forward to the next one, yeah? Okay, next rope.
We're leaving the Oranje Sluis, and actually you're now straight in the canal to Central Station. And right in front of Central Station there is our Marina 6 haven, 6 Marina.
Just go there, yeah?
Okay guys, this was the perfect timing because now it's code orange, and that means crazy weather with insane lightning there. So we're here, we're safe, and damn what a day.